Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Welcome back to the third part of this video unboxing, orchids video unboxing. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'm so sorry that I am dividing my videos into different parts because I just wanted to make a story a story, whatever, for my new babies. So without further ado, let's do this right away. Yeah, I am not counting either, so I'm not sure if this is it. How many orchids did I unwrapped already, because I'm not counting. So, but this is huge, another huge one. Ta-da! It doesn't have a spike, but look how huge. Ta-da! This is so huge, and this is gonna bloom very soon. Look at this huge one, huh? I really like it. Let's see the name. This is Dendrorubium. Ouch. Okay, can't read it. Dendrorubium. Oh! It's a Dendrorubium Hawaii Spectacular. It's a crossbred of Big Alex crossed with Spectabile. So, this is a child of Spectabile. So that's why it's so huge, because Spectabile is a huge orchids, and it has a very pretty bloom, and nice fragrance as well. It's not cooperating. It's just top heavy, that's why it's not cooperating with me. But yes, that's the Spectabile daughter. Okay, a child, whatever. Alright, let's put that back here. Alright, let's see this one, another huge one. I can't believe I have huge orchids this time. I normally only get smaller ones every time, but this time look how big this is. Wow. Okay, let's put that paper there, and let's see what's the name of this first. Oh look, this is an old ones. This is a a Dendrorubium Bertha Chong crossed with blue violetta. So let's see. I don't want to lose the name tag for sure, but we are going to check the bloom. This is my first one. So perfect. What? It's a nice one. Look how beautiful the flowers. It smells too. It stinks nice. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that. And it's huge as well. So this is the very new ones. This is the mother. I know it's another baby, so these are siblings. All right, next, this one here. Okay. Ooh, another one that has a spike. Let's see. Alright. It has a spike. And let's see what's these. Alright, this is a wow, a newbie! Finally I got newbie. A newbie purple white. I've been wanting one. Now I got one and it's blooming. Ta-da, I mean spiking. Budding. Wow, finally I got one. I've been wanting to get one of these. Now I got it. Oh my. So good. Alright, now I got a newbie. And I think this is the last one. So this is maybe the number 16th. Number 16. We'll see later. I'm gonna count it later. But I'm going to have 16 matured plants. So I think this is number 16. Oh wow. Spike. Flower. It has a flower. Ah, it's so pretty. The flower is so pretty. Ooh, it's just a little bitty one. Oops, sorry. Sorry for that. Look at these. This is just a little pot. It's only 2-inch pot. Oops, it finally fall. But this is so huge. Look at these. I mean here. I'm sorry. Look. And look at the flower. It's lime, color lime with burgundy tongue. Everlasting love. Yep, this is everlasting love. That's why it's a little bit familiar on me. It's because I had one last year from the purchase of my husband, Equip Yourself 5 Skills. I had one like this and it bloomed and it's everlasting. Yup. Finally I get another one. It's so cool. I get another one. So this is all the 16th plants. Alright, let's count first. So I have 3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yep, I got 16. Now we are going to open these little babies. The plugs. So this is Red Eye Hawaii. These are just baby plants. So we are going to unwrap these baby plants and see how pretty they are, how healthy. I'm not going to. Okay, so let's put the tag there first. I don't want to lose it. Alright. Okay, excited for these. This is the first time to order orchids with plugs. What? So it has 10. Each variety has 10 plugs. So I got 10 like these. So this is a baby ones. This is how small they are. They're all the same in this one pack. They're all the same plant. So it's a little babies, but so pretty. So this is how they look like when they're just plugs. It's pretty. It's cool. I'm not counting, I'm just looking. So let's count. I'm going to have 10, I think. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, where it came from? 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. I got 12. Oh, supposed to have only 10. Yeah, 10 pieces each variety. So I have this. I'm not gonna take that off there because I don't want to separate it. Okay, this is the next one. And this is a Dendrobium Thong Chai Gold Candy Stripe. So let's see how beautiful the plants are. So this one I have 12. Let's see this one, if how many plants do we get. Ooh, these are more smaller than the first one. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 11 this time. So we have 11 plants from this variety. Put back the name so we don't lost it. And we don't forget what type of plant this is. And this one here is a Bangkok Fancy, Dendrobium Bangkok Fancy. All right. Okay. All right. This looks like bigger than this too. Okay, let's put this here. Oh yeah, these are more bigger. Ooh, and there's plenty here. Let's see how much do we get here. They gave me too much, I guess. So I have 2. Look, they're all big now. 2, 3. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 here again, the third variety. So we have 12 there. And the last one, ooh, we don't want that to. Okay, let's put this on top of it. This is the last one. And this is a Samila, whatever. See that? Samila. Dendrobium Samila. Alright. Okay. Let's take the name. As usual, name is always so important. That way we have a reference when we were growing it. Alright. What? Alright. Let's count these. Okay. I got 1. Look how big these are. So one, these are big already. 2, 3, 4. I even have this. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. But those ones are long. 8, 9, 10, 13 pieces. I have 13 pieces here. So those are my new babies, and I really have new babies. A literal babies. These ones, these plugs are babies. This came from a flask, and it came from a seed, from them hybriding it, from breeding it. So the mother plants are already dying, like this one here. So this also needs a cleaning. Alright, so I have a bunch of work to do tomorrow. Let's get the name. Alright, so it's so hard to make a video here because I only have this little space here. So I think tomorrow I'm going to take them outside, and I am going to shoot a video unwrapping them one by one like I did last time. That way I can show you how beautiful these plants are. But tonight I am going to put them outside, and I'm going to water them tomorrow, not right now, because it's just 5:30. So I'm going to water them because I still have more time. So especially these babies, they're so bone dry, so they need water. So anywho, that's all for today's video, friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my video, and for always being there for me, watching and supporting me. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next video. Bye. Oh, shout out to Mayor, Team Ocho, and Team Sako, and of course Team Party Warriors.